Hello everyone, this is Sudeep Shah, astronumerologist, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share my astrological view on the equity market and the commodity markets for the period between 15 June to 15 July. So today I am going to restrict my discussion to the Indian markets only, that is the Nifty 50 and the Sensex. Now, if you remember in my previous solar transit based video, I had said that you may see some weakness in the market in the second half of June, but however, you are going to see a new high in the first half of June. And if you see the chart, the market had respected that prediction. So let us proceed with our today's topic. Now I know I'm a bit late, but because of the time constraint, I could not upload this video earlier. Okay. So on 20th of June, Mercury is coming out of combustion. Now Mercury is the lord of the markets, the share markets. And on the same day, Jupiter is turning retrograde. Now this is a very interesting combination which is taking place. And the next day, if you see, the sun will be on the Tropic of Cancer, and it is the longest day in the northern hemisphere. And from tomorrow and from the next day, the sun will start its southward journey and the days will start getting shorter, and this is also known as Dakshinayan. So this event indicates that the banking and the finance companies, they will suddenly all of a sudden will become active. And in fact, on 22nd of June, I am seeing a good upside movement in the market. And on 24th of June, now that's a very important date with respect to numerology. So if those who follow me on Twitter will know, like on Friday morning I was sharing some interesting facts and figures about this date, and I thought of tweeting more about it, but anyways, since I'm making this video, I'll be sharing those information here only. So 24th of June, now if you add 24, it will add up to number 6. Now that is a very good octave of number 6. 24 is a very good octave of number 6, and if you add the entire date, it will add up to number 8. Now 6 represents Venus in numerology and 8 represents Saturn. Now 6 and 8, Venus Saturn forms a Guru Shishya relation. Okay, now this is a very auspicious combination in numerology because because these two numbers, because 8 is a number of infinite opportunities and 6 is the number of luxury and glamour. So, and 8 is also the significator of wealth in numerology. So whenever these two numbers enter into a connection, like it is given positive results in most of the cases. Now as I said, 8 is the significator of wealth and 6 is the significator of luxurious and glamour and your romantic life as well. So I'll just share a few important things about this date. See, on 24th of June, so if you are planning to open a new bank account, a new demat account, a new FD, a new recurring deposit, a new mutual fund SIP, or anything related to your finances, anything new. So this is a very good day to execute those plans. Again, on this, if you are also planning to start a new business related to food and beverages, import export, cosmetics, fashion and jewelry, hospitality, tours and travels, and any business which is related to percentage and commission and allied sectors, then this date is also very auspicious for you as well. Now I know, like, because of the lockdown you won't be able to move out, but at least you can plan your events on this day. You can you know sketch out your business plan and have the intent that you are going to execute in the upcoming days. So at least you can sketch out the business plan on this day. Again, on this day, if you are planning to propose someone, or if you want to go ahead, take a step ahead in your love life, then this date is also a very good date as well. Okay, so on 24th June, we also have an important event related to the stock market. Yes, I'm talking about the AGM of Reliance Industries. RIL is the number one company with respect to market cap, and also has the highest amount of weightage in the Nifty 50 index. So you are going to, and it stays also the monthly expiry day as well. So you are going to see a lot of volatility in this day as well, and you are going to expect some unexpected things from this AGM. This is what I am getting from the numbers. The combination of numbers are telling me something out of the box and something unexpected is heading towards your way. So be careful and trade cautiously on this day. And people are talking about 5G, but I would say, like, it is even beyond it, something which is unexpected. All right. And again, from Wednesday, that is from 23rd of June, I am expecting a sudden upside movement in gold and silver. Now on 25th of June, Venus will enter the Pushya Nakshatra. Like on 22nd only it has entered the Cancer sign, and on 25th it will be entering the Pushya Nakshatra, and it will come under the aspect of Saturn, and it will be in the nakshatra of Saturn only. And once again, from this date, the bearish sentiments will again start gaining the upper hand, and it will continue till the end of the month. The first week of July, it looks good to me in terms of equity and gold and silver. And on 6th, the sun will transit to Punarvashu Nakshatra, whose lord is Jupiter, and will also be aspected by Jupiter. So on this day, you are going to see a sudden upside movement in gold, and it would be better if you try to book your profits in this rally. The following week, that is the second week of July, will again become bearish in the equity markets and the gold and silver prices as well. Okay, so overall, if you see, like, this solar transit is indicating that the entire month will be a strong T20 match, a close T20 match between the bulls and the bears. Now, if you remember, I had said in the Outlook 2021 video and in the Outlook 2078 video as well, like, even if there is a fall in the market will recover, will try to cover that fall on the same day or in the next 2 to 3 trading sessions. Now, similar to what you have seen on Friday. Now, who would have thought, like, markets would recover from 15,450 to 15,700 on the same day? Now it nearly recovered the fall, and it closed marginally below the previous day's closing. So, and in the Outlook 2078 video, I had also said, like, you are going to see a fall in July and August. So the time period has started, and recently we have seen 2 eclipses, one solar eclipse and one lunar eclipse. So this is indicating, like, you are going to see a healthy correction in the market again I'd like to remind you that Saturn is retrograde right now. Like if you remember last year, like the retrograde Saturn created made the economy and the stock markets 180 degrees apart. So even if there is a correction, you are not going to see it more than 10 to 15% from the top. So when are we going to see the top? As per my expectation, the market should top out in the first week of July only. Now you may ask me, like in the previous video I had said like markets will top out in the 90-degree aspect between Saturn and Uranus. Well, I had said that, and if you see on that day only the markets made a new high of 15,901, and from there we had seen a decent fall of around 400-500 points from the top. But however, if you look at the chart of the BSE Sensex, you will notice one interesting thing, like it made its new high just a day before the Saturn-Uranus square. Now this is actually a very interesting thing which I found, and also while doing some micro analysis I found that there is still a bullish cycle which is left in the market. But again, if you remember, I had said that this year is a bullish year, and even if there is a fall in the market, it will try to recover the same in the next few trading sessions or on the same day. Now remember, do not expect the fall to be more than 10 to 15%. As I had said, like Saturn is retrograde. Going back to the top formation, in the near future I won't be surprised if we see difference between the percentage of movement in the Nifty and the Sensex, because the Sensex responded a bit late to the time cycle, and I'm expecting like it will try to pull the markets upward, and I'm expecting the markets to top out somewhere between 16,000 to 16,200 levels. But it won't be a one-sided rally, and it would be a bit risky as well, because from 15th of June only the bearish yogas become active, and whatever you do it with a stop loss. Remember, that is like an insurance premium for your trades. So as I said, like July and August are going to be a close T20 match between the bulls and the bears. Alright friends, that's all in this video. I shall see you again in my next video. Till then, do take very good care of yourselves, and bye.